When a parent has one of their children seriously injured, there is a sense of panic because they obviously love and want the best for their children. And they are fearful that a serious accident might make a critical difference in their lives and make it impossible for them to enjoy life and the relationships and the opportunities that other children who haven't been injured have. That perhaps is the most difficult situation you face when a client comes into the office if their child has been hurt. If a client's child is injured, the first thing you do is just listen and find out what happened and help the individual lift some of the burden off their shoulders just by speaking to you. And then you begin to talk to them about potential solutions, what can be done, so that they understand that they don't need to lose hope and that there is a way forward. I think the biggest mistake someone can make when choosing an attorney is hiring an attorney that doesn't have the background or experience. And it's easy to find out. If your child is injured, you just simply ask them, how many of these types and kinds of cases have you handled? How many times have you been to court? How many trials have you been involved in? Have you been successful? What were the verdicts? And the most important thing is to have somebody that has the background and the experience to handle the issues for you. When people ask me about insurance companies, I just simply tell them, don't talk to them. Let us do that for you. Insurance companies have their best interest at heart, and your attorney has your best interest at heart and will know what you should say and what information you should give them. I think if you're picking an attorney for a child injury, you need to pick somebody who has tried and had experience with a number of those cases before and is not meeting this type of a legal problem for the first time. Because legal problems are difficult and they're complex, and you need somebody that really understands the area that they're practicing in to get the best result. If someone is putting off seeing an attorney because they can't afford one, they don't understand how most attorneys work in this area. They work on a contingency fee. That means that we take a proportion of the amount that we recover, and if we don't recover anything, the client owes us nothing. We cover all of the expenses of the lawsuit in most cases, and so it's a non-risk for them financially. The only thing that can come of talking to an established firm and an established attorney when you have an injury is you might get some help, but you're never going to walk out with a bill. If your child is injured and you need help, please give us a call and we'll listen and help you think through the problem and some of the options that you have.